Let me introduce briefly about myself. I'm Dr. Vijay Bhangale. I'm Associate Dean at IS Management College, Mumbai. So, what can be done? Being aware of the situation, the changes that are happening, what is it that we can do? So, the first thing what I feel we should do is quickly upskill the technological development of field force. As much as possible, let each and every medical representative, even in the remotest corner of the country, be aware of how to use technology to stay in touch with whether a company or bosses or doctors or even the other customers in the healthcare, which would enable him or her to work remotely and stay connected. As I said, with customers, which is doctors, patients, stockists, chemists, as well as with the company. Uh, So how is it that, what is it that we can do immediately? So these are some thoughts, of course, through some knowledge, what is happening around. So let's look at the urgent needs of healthcare professionals. So what pharma companies can do is try to solve the current needs of healthcare professionals. And what are those needs? The needs are typically a huge demand for things like masks, sanitizers. So as the number of cases is increasing, or as the number of people who are quarantined is becoming more and more, there's a huge demand for these things. So pharma companies can come forward to satisfy this need and in turn try to build the brand image and also the relationship with the customers. Second, this is a time where the medical fraternity need to support. We need to support the patient access. What I mean by that is there is a patient, but he has no transportation facility to go to a hospital or a doctor's clinic or to take medical care. So, pharma companies may think of collaborating with transportation companies like Uber, Ola, or maybe a local transportation company, which would help in facilitating the movement of patients to the healthcare facility. So, which in turn would also give an opportunity for the pharma companies to interact with their customers. Thirdly, another important aspect is timely availability of medicines for the patients. So here, even pharma companies can collaborate with e-pharmacies, which are able to deliver the medicines wherever required.